Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi guys, it's Sue from 1A Auto. Today we're working on this 2012 Chevy Equinox. We have multiple listings for parts of this vehicle. Why don't you go to the webpage and check out what we have for your car at 1aauto.com. Start by opening the hood. The lever on this is right here. It marks hood. Give it a pull. Then we find the location of the safety latch. It's right there. Move it to the driver's side. Lift up. So to remove the hood strut, there's two clips, one on the top, one on the bottom. Nice medium-size flat blade screwdriver. We'll prop that right out. If you have somebody with you, they can hold the hood for you. If not, I kind of did a little search and I found my shop vac plastic nozzles, and I'm going to prop it up this way. Keep safety in mind at all times. You push it in there, see the metal clip? It's going to slide up. Sometimes you can just flip it right around. It comes right off. And then the same on the bottom. Pry that in there. It comes right off. To install reverse procedure, I like to make sure the clips are down locked because it's just going to pop right in. Firm, done. Remove your safety prod. You're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.